Alright, what is poppin' everybody? My name's Ian McQueenie and welcome back to McAffiliate. On my channel, I'll be showing you guys the newest business models of 2021 and how you can scale that business going into the future for the long term. So as you know on my channel, if you have watched my videos before, I am an affiliate marketer and I teach others how to grow their affiliate marketing business. So today we're focusing on what an email autoresponder is and how it's so crucial to getting more sales and commissions in your business. So if you'd like to see more videos like this going forward, remember to leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment for any recommendations you have down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so why should you have an email autoresponder for your affiliate marketing business? So first off, email autoresponders are the most important part of selling a product or service, as it allows you to retarget prospects who view your sales funnel. So as we discussed in the last video, if you haven't watched it already, there should be a link down below or somewhere on your screen. But we went over what a sales funnel is, and that's basically the steps you take your prospect through to make a sale or purchase with that product that you're promoting. So the first page of your sales funnel is usually the opt-in page, and the opt-in page is where you put in your email and your name. And if they put in their email name, it brings them to the next page, but that email name brings them into the email autoresponder, where you then can start generating emails to send to them daily without you having to click any buttons or doing anything crazy, in that whole process. And this is why it's so beneficial to you and your business, because you don't have to really do any work when these people subscribe to your email list, because the email's already created for you, and all they have to do is just subscribe, and they get sent out every day or every few hours. It's basically a whole schedule. I could show you what mine looks like at the end of the video, but it's really beneficial to you and it can help your business immensely. So first off, what is an email autoresponder? So like I said, email autoresponder is a series of emails that are sent out to your prospects / subscribers, and they're scheduled so you don't have to send them manually. And that's basically what I just went over in that last slide. So with email autoresponders, there's nothing too crazy with them. It's basically copywriting. If you don't know what copywriting is, it's just knowing how to put stories and all these different pain gains into your emails so that people can get engaged and want to see what you have to say, and if they're interested in what you're saying, they can make a purchase, and that's how you make more sales. And within each email, it doesn't have to be the same product or service. You can literally change it up, switch it up however you like. You can either promote the product that you are currently promoting, like for me it's the 15-day business builder challenge, or you can promote like software, like Aweber for example is what I use for my email autoresponder. I could promote that to my subscribers if they want to start creating their own email list. Like, here, check out this email autoresponder software, and get started from there, and then when they click it, you get a commission. So it's a really good way to generate more sales and commissions in your business. So why should you have a professional email or domain for your email autoresponder? So at first I didn't really understand this either. I started out doing this on my own, and I was really confused. Like, I didn't know what this whole email autoresponder thing was, and I didn't really know how to link it up with my sales funnel and all that crazy stuff. And once I got the right guidance, I started to understand this, so I'm going to present it to you guys. So if you have an email, or a professional email, or a professional domain for your website, it makes you look more professional, and it allows you to not go into the spam folder as much when sending out emails to your prospects or subscribers. So as it says in the first bullet, it prevents emails from going to the spam folder. It does look more professional, and it makes it easier to find your website in like the search tab or anywhere online. So it's really crucial for your business if you have a professional email, because I think you can set it up through Zoho or G Suite. It'll be on the next slide. I'll show you guys what it looks like. But it's really crucial to getting your emails out there. And the biggest part of having email responders is making sure that your subscribers are getting them first off, and then they open them, and they keep getting them recurringly every single day. So that's why you got to make sure you have a professional email and domain. And there's not much else I have to really say. If you'd like me to go into more depth with that, leave a comment down below, or shoot me a DM on Instagram where I can help you one-on-one, and we can get you started from there. But how to create a professional email and domain. So you can create a professional email, like I said, through Zoho Mail, which is free, or $1 every month or so. And then G Suite, which is $6 per month, which is a little bit more, upgraded, I guess. I don't know. I use Zoho Mail. I don't really see the difference between the two. But they both work great, and they really just allow you to create your own professional email and use it for your email autoresponder. So it's a really great way to put yourself out there and not get your emails into the spam folder. Now, for the custom domains, this can be different. It's really based on whatever software you have. For me, I use ClickFunnels, which is the sales funnel builder that I use. It's $97 per month. But within that software, you're able to make a $20 purchase per year for your own custom domain. So for me, I believe mine is ianmcqueenie.info /welcome page for my opt-in page. And it can be whatever you want. And it really depends on what you use, like .info, .com, .org, whatever you use. It might change the price of your domain. But there's also alternates like GoDaddy on here for $3 and Bluehost for $9 to $12 a year that you can make purchases for to get a little bit of a cheaper option compared to ClickFunnels if you don't have the money for that. So if you'd like to check any of these things out, I will have a link in the description down below, or you can just check them out yourself on Google. But these are very important websites and softwares that you will need when setting up your email autoresponder and sending emails out to your subscribers so they can make extra purchases in the future. So where can you set up your email autoresponder? So these are the big heads of setting up your email and getting them out there for your subscribers to see. So for me, what I use is Aweber. It's free up to 500 subscribers, and then once you get to 500 subscribers, it's $20 per month. Now, as you can see right here, I do recommend this because it's really easy to use. It's easy to link up your sales funnel with everything. So I totally would recommend using Aweber if you're first starting out. But if you'd like a cheaper alternative, these other softwares that I have listed right here are also really great. Like GetResponse, it's free up to your first 1,000 subscribers, and then it's $15 per month. And then MailChimp, that's free up to your first 2,000 subscribers, then $10 a month, and then Constant Contact, which is $20 per month. So I recommend Aweber because it really gives you more options and it looks a lot more professional. GetResponse is also great. I believe you can make sales funnels on there as well. There's just a little bit less options when it comes to certain aspects. Same with MailChimp. That's why it's free up to 2,000, but you will need to make some purchases down the road. It's not my favorite email autoresponder software, but it can get the job done if you'd like to use that starting off. But I totally recommend using Aweber. So if you really like to check these out, I have all the descriptions down below. You can click each one, check them out, and if you'd like to purchase them and start using them for your own business, that's the way to go. That'll get you started with email autoresponder, and you're one step closer to your journey of becoming financially free. Alright, so now that you know what an email autoresponder is, I'm going to show you what the sales funnel is and how it actually works when people opt in for the email autoresponder and where they're sent and how they can make more purchases. So I showed this in my last video on what a sales funnel is, and so basically all these different social medias like Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, those are my traffic sources, which then get my viewers and audience, prospects I guess you could say, to your opt-in page, which is where they can choose to put in their email and name if they choose, which will send them down to these emails, which is known as the email autoresponder. So after they opt in, it obviously brings them to the bridge page where they watch a video, and then it brings them to the affiliate offer where they then can make a purchase. And then after that purchase, it'll bring them to an upsell for a higher priced product where they can also make a purchase. So the beautiful thing about this is after they opt in, they get sent into that email list. And as the days go on, they get more and more emails, which then they can see more offers from the provider or the person promoting the courses or products. And if they like it, they can click on the link, go up to the upsell or whatever other product it is, and make a purchase. And that's how you can scale your business in the long term, by using email autoresponders and providing more and more different sources of information and products and services down the road. So if you're always constantly promoting the same exact product over time, you're probably not going to get the most commissions and sales. So if you diversify your products and services but keep it within the same niche, you will most definitely get a lot more sales, and you will see your business flourish in the future. So this is just a little bit of a template of what my sales funnel looks like. So if you go to my campaign, this is my campaign for AWeber. This is just my legendary follow-up series that I used from the course that I purchased for the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. And so basically, this whole entire list is all my different emails that they can get through their subscription with my email list. So for example, if I click on this, the first email they get when they sign up, it's this one, and it's like, hey, whatever their name is, one quick thing. And then they click on it, it gets this whole entire paragraph about me and my journey and why I started doing this. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a preview for that. So hi, congratulations, welcome to my world. My name is Ian, and I'm the one who's going to open your eyes to the very harsh realities that are keeping you stuck, stressing about money, robbing Peter to pay Paul, and living paycheck to paycheck. And then you just leave a little story, give them a call to action, and leave a link at the end where they can click and make a purchase if they choose. So this is why it's so crucial for having this implemented into your business, because it really depends on how well your emails are and how engaging they are with your viewers or your audience. And as you can see, I do have to update mine a little bit. I haven't really worked on my copywriting as much, so my open rate and click-through rate is not as high as I'd like it to be at the moment. But if you can get your click-through rate above like 30 to 40%, you are golden, and people will see your emails very consistently and will choose to follow through with the products that you are promoting. So here's a little example. I'm going to go to Google real quick. So we're going to go to my opt-in page. So we're just going to put in Ian McQueenie.info. And it will bring you straight to my opt-in page. This is what it looks like. It might be a little bit different on the phone, but it'll bring you here. You read all this stuff, learn the exact formula that can help you generate passive income from the comfort of your own home. And then you can read all this if you'd like. And then if they like what they saw or read, click Get Started Now, and then enter the required information below so I can send you valuable information. So you put in your name, put in your email, whatever one you want to use, and then after you do that, get instant access now, and then they're opted into your email list. So that's why it's crucial to having a good sales funnel opt-in page as well, because if it's not engaging them, like if they're not interested in what your page looks like, they're going to think it's a scam and be like, oh, I don't want to put my information in here, and they're just going to back out and not put their email in, and they will not enter your email list. So that is why it's very crucial and important to have a good sales funnel first by using this template I have right here, by gaining traffic into your opt-in page and then sending them emails for days, months, years to come. And that's how you grow your business. So if you'd like to get a jump start, however, on your business, and you'd like to learn from a 9-figure affiliate marketer yourself, I have a bonus offer for you. Now this offer is very crucial to my success and your success as well. This is what allowed me to do this and become an affiliate marketer full-time. So this business course or model is known as the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge, where a 9-figure affiliate marketer will take you through the steps day by day to show you how to build your own affiliate marketing business and why it's so important to start now in this new technology era. He will go over the core 4 business models of digital marketing itself, like copywriting, for example, which is the email autoresponder marketing, and as well as, you know, affiliate marketing and coaching, events, all that good stuff. So he'll go over that with you. And the best part about this, man, is that it's only $7. $7 is literally the price of like a coffee at Starbucks, because, you know, Starbucks is super overpriced. But this is why it's so perfect to get started right now, because it's only $7. And if you really want to make a change in your life, I'd highly recommend getting this course and making the purchase. So if you'd like to check it out for yourself, I have a link down below to the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. It'll most likely be the first link you see. So check that out. Go through my whole sales funnel. See if you like it, and if you'd like to make a change in your life, follow through, make the purchase, and hit me up so I can help you one-on-one and set you up on your journey to financial freedom. So yeah, that's it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed. As I said multiple times already, the email autoresponder is probably one of the most important factors of your affiliate marketing business. And it may not be too exciting to you, it may not be that interesting, but I know it isn't for me. But it is very crucial and important to your business and getting more sales and commissions later down the road. So yeah, once again, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below for what you'd like to see in the future. But that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.